We're totally not faking it.
No.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to AI Over Coffee, episode 16. 4 months officially.
Wow.
Yeah. So I think this week we're going to go through OpenAI FM, which is a TTS model, new from OpenAI.
Well, it's both TTS plus... Yes, it's TTS.
Yeah. And then we're going to go through a 3D modeling agent.
Hunyuan.
I don't know where that's from. And then we're going to go to VibeJam, which is this guy that's making vibe-coded games on a website. Pretty.
Yeah. It's familiar.
Yeah, familiar. Very, very familiar. Kind of like the story games, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Let's get started.
All right. So, OpenAI released OpenAI FM.
Mm-hmm.
So, their new TTS model, you can prompt the model. We had some models like this before, so open source models, but this is from OpenAI.
I want to hear the cowboy talk.
All right.
Yeah, that's right.
Should we prompt it?
Yeah, we should.
Oh, you want to say? Okay, let's go.
Yeah,
so there are different voice models that you can choose from. Let's go with Alloy, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
And this is how you prompt it. So this is like different kind of prompting. We have like prompting for LLMs, which we are doing in FlowHunt already. There's prompting for image generations, which has its own kind of prompting. And now this is like the kind of a best practice for voice models. So you have voice. You should give like like the tone of the voice, warm, relaxed, friendly, with steady cowboy drawl. And then punctuation, light and natural, with gentle pauses. Delivery, smooth and easygoing. Phrasing, simple, direct, folksy, using casual, familiar language. And tone, lighthearted. And this is the text that's gonna recite.
Well, now, partner, you made it to tech support. Okay.
And that was not playing yet.
Well, now, partner, you've made it to tech support. Let's see if we can't get you fixed up. If your internet's giving you trouble, press 1 and we'll get it back in line. Need help with billing
AI
or
really
account
details?
details?
Is the
Press
highs
2,
and lows of
and we'll sort it
natural
out.
human talk.
For
I always
device
see that
setup or
missing.
software issues, press 3.
Yeah.
And we'll walk you through, nice and easy. If it's something urgent, press 0, and we'll get you talking to a real person.
I want it faster.
No need to fret. We'll have you back in the saddle in no time. Well, now, partner, you've made it to tech support.
Just a bit.
Let's see if...
Just say like faster by 7 times. And let's see what happens.
Well, now, partner, you've made it to tech support. Let's see if...
It seems the prompts are working.
Yeah.
So...
Yeah, the problem I see always is like, I don't know, it says, let's see if we can get you fixed up. Whereas it could go, let's see if we can get you fixed up, you know?
Right,
it doesn't really go super high or very low.
Well, I guess Sesame did it.
Sesame did it a little bit.
Yeah.
Well, now, partner, you've made it to tech support. Let's see if we can't get you fixed up. If your internet's giving you trouble, press 1, and we'll...
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
Well, but it's a good model. It's good for calling from AI. And this is
it's
the code.
free. So
And, well, yeah, it's from OpenAI. It's not free, but...
you can download it. So.
True, yeah, you can download it.
You can actually, we can move on to the next news we have, which is the Hunyuan. Yeah, Hunyuan 3D models. You can make your own 3D characters and then have them voiced by that.
Yeah, it's about time that
Yeah.
you just give it the image and it creates a 3D model. It's really good for gaming purposes. So you can see all these different things that people are doing. Also, yeah, there's a lot actually with this. There's a lot of potential.
Yeah, so instead of asset flipping nowadays, we can just generate the assets.
Yeah, you see, it's nearly perfect.
Yeah.
3D model. So it's really useful for gaming.
Very nice.
All right, next one, VibeJam.
VibeJam.
So, we announced a new website yesterday in the previous session, Asteroid Games.
Yeah.
So we thought like you can just generate video games with AI, but guys here are actually creating like really cool games.
Yeah.
So this one, like it's all generated by vibe coding with Windsurf, so the exact same thing that we've done. But this VibeJam is actually organized by Levels.io, so that's he's brilliant. He's like an entrepreneur, and he found kind of this kind of vibe coding, and he's making a whole new thing with it. So you see, like this is another game. It's like Tetris.
It's got all the shadows and everything.
Yeah, it's all 3D.
Nice.
So that's what AI is good at. It's good at generating JavaScript that is also in 3D. So using 3JS. And this is
kind of like Happy Wheels. Yeah, nice.
And it's crazy. Just
I saw the Minecraft shooting game. That's the one that I saw. They already made it, and they're playtesting it. They want to add multiplayer and everything to it, which is pretty cool. Yeah, this
so
one.
Feel free to just go through it. Yeah, this is crazy. It's all in browser.
Yeah.
That's the crazy part.
And they're just making these games in like a few hours, or even like 1 or 2 days.
Yeah,
which is insane. Super fast. So yeah, it's no God of War or anything, but we're getting there.
We're getting God of War in browser.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's gonna help out the gaming industry hopefully by a bunch, because making games is a hassle and it takes a very long time.
It is. Wow. So I encourage you to go through this VibeJam in Twitter and just go through it. It's crazy.
That is literally all that happened this week in the AI world.
Yeah.
Except for FlowHunt. We have some really cool news that we cannot share yet.
Next week.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
And we're going to create tutorials.
Yeah. So it's going to be, next week's video is going to be, if we can make it to next week.
Yeah.
It's going to be a tutorial based for something for our new features. All right. Thank you so much for watching. This was AI News this week, and hope you enjoyed.
Yeah.
Ciao.
Ciao.